Once again, we're behind the wheel. Andito ang ating doggies. So we have Bella and Luga. Kawawa naman si Luga nasa floor. Say hello. Hi everyone! So today, we had our errands day. Alam niyo naman na it's Christmas na. Ang daming ganap, ang daming utos ni Mommy. Ate Gina's making grocery. And ako ang mahiwagang driver. This is Bella. This is our first ever dog. So lola na siya. Lola Bella. Kakagigil. And this is Luga. This is my dog. Palubat na ako. Hi everybody, good evening. So, I got my nails done. They're all holiday ready. So they're inspired by Hailey Bieber. I used to think that I was gonna marry Justin Bieber, but here I am getting Justin Bieber's wife's nails and using her lip gloss. My sister's gonna get her nails done. Thank you so much, Rami. Yeah, I'm doing nails. Say hi, V. Hi. I'm just so excited. Look at this. Look. Let's do an ASMR. Look at my nails. I'm not sure if you can focus on that. So we are headed home. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go home. Every girl knows this feeling. Fresh new nails. Hello.
Welcome home.
Hi, Noni. Come here. Hi. Scratch. Wow. Wow. Kiss. Hello. I'm just enjoying my Chris Brown t-shirt. It's like a weekend off. You know, it's an extension to the weekend. So I got my nails done and I'm home. I'm just gonna relax. My bed is a mess. You can see the undergarments. Wala tayong pakialam dyan. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung laban. Hi! Working while talking to my girls. We are so productive. We've finished a lot, and I'm actually talking to my girls while doing that. Annyeong!
안녕하세요. My name is Olivia.
Hi, Chef Nan. Hi, Chef Marlon. Siyempre. B. Lonnie. Hi, everyone. I'm officially so tired. I'm waiting for Bianca. We just finished a photo shoot, so now I'm coordinating with my team and I'm so stressed. I'm just trying to calm down. Breathe with me, guys. Breathe with me. And then my sister's not replying. May mga dumadaan na tao and I feel like, ba't kaya niya kausap yung sarili niya? Hindi nila alam. Vlogger ka. Guys, Tuesday pa lang. Pero sobrang heavy na. Intense. Pero okay lang. Kakayanin. Wow! Kakayanin. Hi! We're having dinner here at Tito Boy's in Pampanga. So, I'm so excited because I've been craving for lengua. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so good. 9 out of 10. We're gonna try the lengua. Super good, guys. I swear. Favorite. Yeah, that's what Bianca said. I'm so excited for we got the cream puff, so it's like a chocolatey cream puff. So, need not I say more.
Even the price is so good.
The price is so good too. So. What the heck? Did you see the dessert? I feel like it's my daughter. Can I taste it now? Ooh, coffee even hits. Oh my god, look at that. That's so good, guys. We just dropped off Bianca in her at her school. So, baka mamaya mabash tayo dyan. But anyway, so we just dropped Bianca, and the reason why I don't really vlog with Bianca is because she's not comfortable. Alam niyo naman, dapat prim and proper ang ating baby girl. So now I'm on the way to Soler, and I'm gonna be working in Soler while waiting because my mom's coming. I finally get to see mommy after so long. On the way here from Pampanga, we were listening to Inka, Aaron, and the attorney's podcast. It was about cutting off friendships, dealing with people, and etc. Let's reflect a bit. This is in line with the favor thing. It actually also has something to do with the people that you surround yourselves with. Did you know that you will find favor with the people that you're surrounded with too? So I just believe that who you surround yourself with is also a reflection of who you are, but at the same time, who you want to be. Kuya Kal and Ate Selly would tell me, if you surround yourselves with successful people, you will be successful too.
I cut people off, for example, if we hang out and I don't feel good because of either the things that they say or the way that they behave.
Yeah.
You know, these micro things like, and if you can tell that they are happy with the way that they are, meaning you don't see like they want to change or grow, that's when I feel like I'm like,
Ah.
Kung magbibigay kayo ng pera sa kaibigan nyo, donation. Pag nagpautang ka, expect mo hindi na babalik.
yeah.
Totoo. For example, let's say Justin needs money. He's not even gonna ask me.
Yeah.
Ganon. Ganon. If I need money, I won't even ask him.
Yeah.
Because I don't want that friendship to change
Correct.
at all.
Saka, to be honest, bababa ka. Bababa ka. In totoo. Bababa
That's
ka
just
sa
how it is.
relationship din. Ganun talaga.
Yeah.
Sinamahan mo ng pera eh.
Money and power don't change people. It just reveals who they have
Really
been.
are.
He's really fixing my life. Nalalagas din talaga yung mga tao na ayaw niyang makasilumuho ko, salimuha or what. That's one of the things that I learned today that I want to share.
So vlog.
Top vlog.
Let's stop. Scared of the bones.
Hi, Mommy Shelly. Hi guys, we're gonna go Sundotori Boo with the parents.
Guwapo, sino yan? Ay, ako pala yun.
Si Kuya Calvin
Nagulat
Vista.
ako.
Ganda!
Teacher.
We're at Steak Beach. So we're eating steak. Super so good. Wow! Hi, where are we?
We're here at Beach House Cafe.
Beach House Cafe.
In Capitolio.
In
It's new, guys, so come on, let's see it.
This is a nice place. Uy, si Lana. Oh, wow. Look at her bag, guys.
Sponsored by Trust.
Oh, look at the booty. So painting. My beautiful dates.
Why beautiful dates? Tingnan mo, tingnan mo, tingnan nyo, guys.
Ayan na, she's working.
Come rewind. Girl, I get the money with me to mine.
These panel chocolate.
Jesus.
Ooh, croissant. We are waiting for our reservation sa Pizzulu. Ano sabi mo? Tita Lou. Merry Christmas. Look, oh, it's Christmas. Ring my bell. My bell. Ring, ring, ring. Hi! Weekly meetings. Meron po kami binubuo na business. Wait,
Business spot kami nakita nila. We saw this.
Where?
There's a moon running right. I'm lost and I can't get back to you. I had to know where to start to begin. It was beautiful but now half time. Half time.
Hello?
Half time.
Yeah.
Half time.
asking, after we eat, we walk, diba, Jana?
For the first time.
So we're actually going to Makati. Ay, hindi.
And then the orange cone. We're gonna visit, I forgot his name. Coney? I don't know.
Ooh, Coney.
Cone. Basta, wait, let me check. But sometimes, I mean, back when I would run here a lot, they would hide stickers like once a day. You have to find it in a specific slot.
Scavenger hunt pala to eh.
I see the orange cone of BGC.
Oh, cute. Do they still do that now?
Yeah, look. And people would post with the orange cone. Oh, there yung sticker. Na may nakakuha na. And then you say, congrats! Finally got one! Congrats! Congrats! That's so cute!
Congratulations! Ay! Ayun! This is the famous cone!
Historical. So like run clubs just stick there. That's cute. And biking.
This is the part where you get killed. just kidding. Just kidding. Such a cool kid. Say hi to the vlog. Look, continue it. I have the most brilliant idea. What if you actually, like, I buy beats from you for my background music?
I bet.
Right?
Oh my god! Yes!
Like,
So sweet.
every single video, because it's released like weekly. So like syempre parang mga house music, right? What do you think? What do you
It's a genius idea and it's very sweet.
Right? Let's do it, Josh. Exactly my point. Boochie, what do you say, Booch? So me and the girls just finished. We just wrapped up and sobrang haggard ko na, but I'm genuinely like so impressed when you obey God. Everything literally follows. What does that mean? When you obey God, blessings overflow. One thing that I got from Patty and Jana today, and let's just continue to be consistently obeying God. So yeah. Bye.
Wait lang yung ano ko muna to.
Marinate overnight. It looks so good. Hey, Joshua. Joshua. Hi, Bean. Ikaw na naman. Ikaw ulit. Anyways, Joshua, ikaw na naman. Joshua. Oh my God. Pasensya na if my voice is a little bit bad. Hold on. Much better. It's 1:29. So I met with Machine. We had lunch. She treated me, you know, to the pitches, etc. Work. And then my besties came to have dinner with me. I felt like I could not end the day. Like I felt like God was telling me something to share with everybody. The previous one, we were talking about Joseph. So ngayon, let's talk about Jacob naman. Who is Jacob? So we're still talking about the favor of God because we want to declare favor over our lives. So si Jacob yung anak ni Isaac. Si Abraham, anak niya si Isaac. So lolo ni Jacob, si Abraham. Si Jacob yung nagmanipulate kay Esau, yung kapatid niya, for the birthright. And then he fell in love with Rachel, but he married Leah. Rachel, Leah are siblings. So yung tatay nila is Laban. So ang gulo talaga ng buhay noon, di ba? We're gonna be studying Jacob's favor. This person, hindi niya deserve yung favor ni Lord. So without further ado, let's begin. So we will be reading from Genesis 30:27. But Laban said to him, "If I have found favor in your sight, I have learned by divination that the Lord has blessed me because of you." Favor is contagious. So yung favor ni God is contagious. The gift of God is contagious. If you hang out with people with God's favor, you will be benefiting from God's favor too. And if you hang out with people that have the gift of encouragement, you will also be encouraged. If you hang out with people with patience, with kindness, and with love, ikaw din, you will hang out. And you will benefit from that. If you stay with people who are cheaters, if you stay with people who are liars, if you stay with people who are thieves, beggars, you will be like them. Who you hang out with will also play a huge influence in your life. So what you tolerate, you will become. Si Laban, he was blessed by God because Jacob was working, he was working hard, proving to him na I deserve your daughters. So, oh my God, ang dami niyang daughters back then. Hindi niya alam kung sino pipiliin niya. But moving forward, Laban was talking to Jacob. Name your wages and I will give it. Jacob said to him, you yourself know how I have served you and how your livestock has fared with me. For you had little before I came, and it has increased abundantly, and the Lord has blessed you wherever I turned. But now, when shall I provide for my own household? He said, what shall I give you? Jacob said, you shall not give me anything. If you will do this for me, I will again pasture your flock and keep it. Let me pass through all your flock today, removing it from every speckled and spotted sheep and every black lamb and the spotted and speckled among the goats, and they shall be my wages. So, ibig sabihin, yung spotted, yung stripes, yung mga kakaiba, sa akin yun. So, verse 33, so my honesty will answer for me later when you come to look into my wages with you. Everyone that is not speckled and spotted among the goats and black among the lambs, if found with me, shall be counted stolen. Laban said, sige, good. Okay, good deal. Let it be as you have said. But that day, Laban removed the male goats that were striped, spotted, and all the female goats that were speckled and spotted, every one that had white on it, and every lamb that was black, and put them in charge of his sons. And he set a distance of 3 days' journey between himself and Jacob pastured the rest of Laban's flock. Si Laban was being greedy. So Laban cheated Jacob. But moving to chapter 31. So we're gonna be skipping a huge part. Kayo na bahala dyan, guys. Magbasa naman kayo ng Bible. Wala na nga akong boses, no? So, chapter 31, verse 4. So, Jacob sent and called Rachel and Leah into the field where his flock was, and said to them, I see that your father does not regard me with favor as he did before. But God of my father has been with me. That's just amazing, especially now na wala na akong father. This is something that I will declare. But my God of my father has been with me. You know that I have served your father with all my strength. Yet your father has cheated me and changed my wages 10 times. But God did not permit him to harm me. If he said, the spotted shall be your wages, then all the flock bore spotted. And if he said, the striped shall be your wages, then all the flock bore striped. In Jesus' name. Thus God has taken away the livestock of your father and given to me. Pero ang galing lang kasi si Lord, binalik niya sa kanya kung anong nanakaw sa kanya. Laban did something very bad. But God literally told Jacob, I will be the one to fight for you. You don't need to do anything. I got you. Ako na bahala sa'yo. Look at what I can do in your life. And just sit back, relax. Because syempre wala namang control si Jacob sa pag-multiply ng sheeps niya, sa pag-spotted ba, sa stripe. I'm not perfect. My life has really been whack. I may have sinned against him many, many times. But one thing's for sure, if the favor of God is upon your life, no man can steal, no man can kill, and no man can destroy that. It's the same with the enemy. Yun yung plano niya eh. Gusto niyang i-steal, kill, and destroy. But all we have to do is surrender it to God. Lord, ikaw na bahala dito. All we have to do is relax. I hope you guys get encouraged. I hope you guys get so fueled because that's God's plan for our lives. He wants to favor us. He wants to open so many doors that no man can shut. So I hope you claim the Lord's promises in your lives. Mauubusan ako ng boses. But that's it, guys. I love you and I'll see you later.